Okay. Hello.
For 1 month, I am telling you people that Baba, why it has been done delay because of weather. And we have found this dredger with anchoring. You have seen that that is called as spud.
Hello.
Dredger it is, and it is having crane as well as poclane also. A crane why we have bought? Because some trees are and all fallen in the water that we can scratch and we can remove aside. In the meantime, poclane can clear the mud. And second is one more barge is there. We will put 100 to 150 ton mud in that, and it will open down from below. Wherever we have made the hydrographic survey, wherever depth is there, there we will go and we will push the mud inside the water.
Sir, today the operation will start.
Today we will make a puja because of today's Friday, and here it is, we call as Chaturdashi, Sankashti. We have to make small puja, and we will start now. Machinery we will start and we will take it there. And administration, DC office from DC has come, and SP is also, he is also here only. And main thing is, from day before yesterday, our Kerala MLA, you know that. I'm thinking very bad because he is always calling me what happened. And he is here with us. And morning also I met MP in Bangalore. He is not well, I think. He told that I will come after 2-3 days.
Tomorrow at what time you will start the operation?
It is how you know, when the low tide is, then we will work. High tide, we will stop it again.
Okay.
Then port people are also there. Port people will take continuous work observation. And it is a last try, what I can say.
And how long the arm will go under the mud?
It will go up to 30-40 feet. I think he is there only, no? I think you people have asked him. That person, technical person, is here only. And 50 meter to 20 meter.
So now you planning 3 days dredging?
No. We have initially 3 days we are doing only the points which he had given by Navy and our Indrabalan, whoever they have given the particular points, and our person from Udupi also, he also told the same thing. That we will, our SP and DC has taken the decision. First we will try 3 days on that. Thereafter we will continue it.
Sir, today 11 o'clock the dredger come here, and around 1 o'clock the equipments all are assembled. But the operation not started now.
See, it is all your
view. What is the
views.
reason, sir?
I am telling you again, you should not ask this. Why you have bought this, you have to ask. Then I appreciate. See, the question is always not good. Why I am here? Why I am here? You tell me.
Sir, the dredging.
It's my duty. It's not my constituency. Even though it is my duty as an Indian, I have to do this work. Okay. And they have to make the arrangements. I don't know whether you are aware of this. Whatever you are looking, that pipe, no, that has been cutted, removed because of height of the...
Sir, around 2 o'clock the dredging company says they are ready for the operation. But the DC or other not come here.
No. DC has not...
give permission.
DC has to give her own permission, means it is the government what she is working. She is not like me. I can come and anytime I can start. She has to tell the government that Baba we are doing and all these things. And the SP has also report intelligence department and all these things. Then only we can.